Hello everyone, and a very warm welcome to the channel. I am so incredibly glad you've decided to join me here today. My name is Israel, and if you're someone who cares about your health and the wellness of your family, you're in the right place. I've been thinking about this moment for a long time, how to properly introduce myself and the mission behind this channel. This isn't just another health page. This is a space built on a decade of real-world frontline experience. For over a decade, my life has been defined by the walls of healthcare institutions. It's where I've learned the most about humanity. I've seen people at their strongest, and I've seen them in their most challenging hours. It's a journey that leaves a mark on you. My path has taken me through so many different settings, from the long-term care and compassion of care homes, to the fast-paced, high-stakes environment of emergency care and hospital wards across the country. I've spent years in community healthcare, working directly with families in their own environments where health really starts. I've also been deeply involved in rehabilitation and patient support services, helping people find their way back to health. Throughout all of this, I've seen the incredible resilience of the human spirit. It's truly humbling to witness. But as a nurse, you experience healthcare differently than almost any other profession. It's a very unique vantage point. You see, doctors often come and go. They have many patients to see. But as nurses, we stay. We stay with the patients through it all. We are the ones who stay by the bedside. We are the ones who listen when the room finally goes quiet. We are there during the most vulnerable moments, the times when the lights are low, and the questions start to feel much heavier. We see their fears, their pain, and that deep-seated uncertainty that comes when you're facing a health crisis you don't understand. We witness the anxiety and sometimes even a profound loneliness that patients feel they cannot explain to anyone else. As nurses, we see the side of healthcare that isn't in the textbooks. We see the human heart at its most exposed. As nurses, we stay with patients. We see their fears, their pain, their uncertainty, and their anxiety. And sometimes even the loneliness they cannot explain to anyone else. This is why I do what I do. Witnessing that day after day for 10 years, it changes you. It shapes your perspective on what really matters in life. It makes you realize how much the right information, delivered with genuine heart and clarity, truly matters to a family. I see so much misinformation online today, fears being amplified by clickbait and people feeling lost in medical jargon. Misinformation can be dangerous. It leads to unnecessary stress and sometimes even prevents people from seeking the right care. My mission here is simple: to simplify medical topics for everyday people, to bridge that gap between the hospital and your home. I want this to be a safe place for health education, awareness, and, most importantly, real encouragement for your wellness journey. I want us to focus heavily on preventive health. Knowing what to do before a crisis happens is the most powerful tool you have. Prevention is about more than just avoiding illness. It's about optimizing your life so you can be there for the people you love. On this channel, we'll talk about nutrition and the small lifestyle habits that build a foundation of long-term wellness. We'll dive deep into mental health, an area that is so often overlooked but is absolutely critical to our overall well-being. We'll dive into common health conditions and symptoms, explaining them in a way that makes sense without the intimidation. We're going to remove the intimidation from healthcare. No more feeling confused or powerless when you leave a doctor's office. My ultimate goal is to empower you and your families to make informed health decisions with confidence. Knowledge shouldn't be a barrier to your health. It should be a bridge to a better, longer, and more vibrant life. I want to encourage you to take your health seriously, not out of fear, but out of respect for the incredible life you've been given. This isn't just me talking to a camera. It's about building a community where we support each other in our health goals. I want to hear your stories, your questions, and your successes. This is a journey we are going to take together. So, I invite you to join this family. If you haven't already, please subscribe and hit that notification bell. Let's start this journey of wellness and awareness together. I promise to bring you the best of what I've learned over the last decade. Remember, health isn't just about treatment. It's about the information that empowers you every single day. Sometimes the right information at the right time can change or even save a life, and that is why this channel exists. Welcome to the family once again. I am so honored to be your guide on this path to better health. Don't forget to subscribe and let's grow healthier together. I'll see you in our very first deep dive video very soon.